This is my 11/26/2024 market recap. No trades taken. The reason why there was no trades, although I did have a setup here, market really never tapped my entry position, right? So let's go over the whole thing, our whole paralysis, right? On the daily time frame, on the weekly actually, or from the weekly, right? Because this is a higher time frame. On the higher time frame bias, if they're principal, if closed below, we're expecting lower prices. So my draw look is over here. On daily time frame, if wick above lower prices, wick above the previous high. Low prices, and he souped out the previous day's high as well. So I'm looking for low prices, right? So I'm looking to go just to TRT is all I care about. I don't care about these, right? So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Under session made the low of the day, but to me that's not the low of the day because I'm bearish, right? So if I'm bearish, agency should not be making the low of the day. Should be making the high of the day. So I feel like this is low of the day, the fake low of the day. So I want to price back down over here. So on the other thing, we have it in 4 hour time frame. We have a 4 hour key level, which is basically the recent day's high. We have another key level right over here, the market first. Give this for value gap. This for value gap should get disrespected easily. We're in a CRT here. We're in a range, so this fair value gap should not be bothering the range here, right? Because as you know, market moves through the ranges. I don't really. You can move through IRL, but there's a range in presence. Market usually that tends to like the market usually that tends to go to the ranges high or low before respecting the CRT, right? So let's see right over here on the 4 hour time frame. I was expecting a reversal. Why was I expecting a reversal? I was expecting a New York reversal. Why was I expecting a New York reversal? Because agent session did not make the low of the day. Because I'm bearish in this point, right? So if I'm bearish, I don't want it to make the low of the day. I want it to make the high of the day, right? So that's what I was looking for New York to make the low of the day. Agent session did not make anything to expand it. So I was looking for New York to be a reversal because I said New York reversal profile is profile 2 because I said Asian now does not look like to me to be the low of the day, but I'm not going to be extending my take profit to all over here just to be like, oh, not low there. So market should definitely be going down here. All I should be caring about this tier T low right over here, right? So now let's go to the 15-minute time frame as we're looking for our entry. Our range time, the range CRT is 1 a.m. candle. 5 a.m. is the manipulation. 9 a.m. is the expansion, right? See market expanded and TP. Fair value gap is I don't really give a shit about. I'm not gonna lie. Fair value should definitely get disrespected. Go to 15 time frame. And the 15 time frame, I was right over here. I was looking for an entry here, but market, when it closed below, it never closed below the wick, right? So I like to trade my order blocks out of the wick instead of a body, right? But market tapped the body after closing it after this 15 time frame candle closed above the wick, tapped the body. Hey, the body is sometimes effective as well, but I see when I back tested stuff for my Model One, the body isn't usually a thing I like to go for because I see it have more losses. I see more respect on the body instead of I'm saying on the wick. So market tap the body, expanded lower hitting TP1. It was right over here. And as I said, I don't really care about this IRL to ERL because we are in a ERL to IRL. This fair value gap should definitely get respected. I want to see lower prices. This IRL could definitely get respected, but I want to see lower prices to all at least it is low from here. If market could recover from here, go back to the upside, then go from IRL to ERL. Right now, looking for the market to go down here. This is what the market should do, right? Now, what I think the market will probably do, which I don't really give a fuck about because I'm in the trade, right? And you should really care about how the market goes. You should react to the market price instead of predicting it, right? So I was waiting for a second type of entry is from this threshold because if I would have entered out of this Model 1 here, it offers resistance in 1 RR, which breaks my trading rule. So I'm not taking that. So I went here for a 2.8 RR. Market retraced, but it says a fair value gap. And for our market profiling, our advanced market shift, we're bearish, but my market profiling, we are as well in a retracement and expansion, right? Market started from accumulation, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. Right over here is a reversal. That's a key level. Retracement, expansion. The expansion could only go to the expansion went to this 50% mark, which is one of our take profit. That's why I'm calling the day out. Yeah, this is my market recap. No trades took in. Sometimes, as I said, market will probably get the entries. Sometimes it won't. It's based out of sometimes, right? But yeah, so our goal is just to follow the rules and be confident on the setup. Doesn't know the setup will deliver. Expect to lose trades, focus on making habits, practice method skill over profits, and focus on the process, not the outcome. And know setup will deliver and be confident, be fearless, be emotionless, and accept the risk of losing 500,000. Accept losing a 1% per trade. But if you don't accept the risks on the table, you're gonna have emotion. So you gotta accept the risk of losing, right? But yeah, thank you for watching. This is my market recap, and yeah, see you guys later.